Hey, what's going on, guys? I haven't had any emails from you guys. I searched the last month, and there have been no math questions gone my way, which is a little odd because I usually get an email or two by now with you guys asking questions, but no one's asked any questions, so I haven't made any videos. So yeah, it's 2 a.m. It's I guess technically Sunday, and I thought, you know what? Let me just do a quick update. So hopefully you guys have been reading this. I mean, I know it's different. Like you probably should, see a lesson in real time. But this is pretty straightforward. If you have a function here, this is called the function with respect to x, and it says x squared plus x. Just because there's an x in there, I mean, you can if I change this to an h, then all this changes to h. So if I were to say f of h, well, then you would call it h squared plus h. I was about to put a parenthesis h squared plus h. You don't have to. I mean, I don't know if you don't like h's, if you don't like variables. Do you guys? What do you guys like? Happy faces. F of happy face. So if you call it f of happy face, well, this is my function here. So I'm gonna write happy face squared plus happy face. So there it is. So this is my function with respect to x. I'm telling you that it's x squared plus x. So whatever you insert in there, that's what you're gonna insert into these variables, quote unquote. So if I put f of happy face, you're going to have happy face squared plus happy face. So that's all that's about. So if you see there, I know I expanded it here. It's probably better if I just show you, right? So that f of h plus 3, here's my function. So that f of h plus 3 just means parenthesis h plus 3 close it squared plus parenthesis h plus 3. And then all I did here, guys, to get from here to here, this is just doing FOIL, right? H plus 3 with a square on it. H plus 3 with a square on it just means h times, well, I guess I'll write h plus 3 times h plus 3. I'm not trying to insult you guys, I promise. I know some of you need this and some of you may not. This is h times h, so that's h squared. H times 3 there, so that's going to be plus 3h. I've already exhausted this. I can't multiply that h with anything else. So then I jump to that 3 here. 3 times h plus another 3h. And then 3 times 3, that's 9. And then combine like terms, I have a 3h and a 3h, so that's h squared plus 6h plus 9. So that's what this is right here. And then you just drop the parentheses. There's nothing in front of that. There's nothing in front of this. So now I can just write, well, that's h squared plus 6h plus 9 plus h plus 3. That h plus 3 is this. Be careful with linkage errors, guys. And then you just combine like terms. This is the highest degree. There is no other h squared, so h squared plus, and then I see a 6h and I see an h. So that together, 6 plus 1, that's 7. So 7h. And then I see a 9, and then I see a 3. So 9 plus 3, that's 12. So there it is. Plus 12. So that's how we got that, guys. So hopefully that's nothing crazy. And then composite functions, relax, this is f composite of g. So you evaluate g first, and then once you, now this is your argument, the 4x minus 4, which is your g of x. Now it's f of this, so wherever you have a variable for x, you're going to type in that expression, 4x minus 4. So we'll help you guys out. Read these notes, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll do a few of the odd problems here. I'm not going to do them all, guys, because, that's what I want you guys to do, a few here. But here I go. I have f of x is x squared plus 2x. It's the same function that I've been using all this time for f. X, oh, actually, no. That's x squared plus x. So this is x squared plus 2x. Sorry. Take it back. So it's these functions here, f of x, and this function here, g of x. So it says g of 3. So I'm going to do number 1. So g of 3, wherever there's an x, I'm going to plug in a 3. So 5 times 3 minus 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 3, that's 12. And that's it. All right, now let's go to number 3 here. Well, notice we already did g of 3. G of 3 was 12. So this is the same thing as f of 12. So now I'm going to go to my function f. My function f is x squared plus 2x. And I'm going to put in a 12 in there. So wherever there's an x, I'm going to plug in a 12. So 12 squared plus 2 times 12. Let's see, 12 times 12, that's 144. And then 2 times 12, that's 24. So then adding those two dudes up, let's see, 44, 54, 64, 68. 168. And then that's it, guys. So yeah. So then this f, so now I'm doing number 5, guys. This f of 3, or f composite of f of 3. So we're going to do f of 3 first. So I'm going to come here to the side. I'm going to write f of 3 equals 3 squared plus 2 times 3. 3 squared is 9, and then 2 times 3 is 6, so 9 plus 6 is 15. And then that's what I'm going to insert, so this is going to be f of 15. So I'm going to write 15 squared plus 2 times 15. And 15 times 15, I believe, is 225. So 225 plus, and then 2 times 15, that's 30. So there it is. So 225 plus 30, 25. 35, 45, 55. I have to go in pieces, guys. And there it is, guys. Hopefully that helped. If you have any questions, I know maybe you guys are like, do number 7. Well, shoot me an email, guys. Shoot me an email. We're having trouble, and I'll start doing more of these videos. I know I said that I was going to update this at least once a week. So I'll see if I can update it since I'm a little behind here. I'll see if I can make 3 videos this week, guys. All right, see you guys later, guys. Let me know if this helped, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. All right, talk to you later. Bye.